Hello guys, welcome to another lecture in this course. In this video, we shall be looking into dictionaries. Dictionaries, they provide a good way to organize and manipulate data using meaningful labels, which are keys and values. And the data is stored in a key and a value. That's where you place your data. And the good thing about dictionaries is that dictionaries, they are mutable. And they are different from a tuple, which was immutable. So you can modify your data, you can update, you can do whatever you want anytime, anywhere within your code. Let us take a look on how we can create a dictionary. So hash creating a dictionary. So in dictionary, we said we use a key and a value. Let us say dictionary is equals to curly braces. So we use a curly braces to denote a dictionary. We use a curly bracket or curly braces to denote a dictionary. So once you do curly braces like this, then you have to put a key value, a key. If it's a database, we call it ID. So let us put a key here. Let us call it key 1. And each key is associated a value. Let us put a value here, value 1. So we can say a dictionary is in pair of key and value. So these are the two elements that are important that you should know that depict or denote a complete dictionary. It's a key and a value. So if you want to add another element inside a dictionary, you put a comma, then you put a key again. Let's say key number 2, then colon to put the value, that is value 2. Then you can add as many elements as you want in the dictionary. Then we can print our dictionary here. And the result will come as in curly braces or curly bracket, as you can see here. How do we get access to the elements inside the dictionary? To get access to the elements inside the dictionary, we use the get method. Let us say we want to get the values of our dictionary. So to get values, let us create a variable. Value is equals to our dictionary variable dot get. Then we pass the key here so that we get the values. For example, we want to get the value for key 1. So let us print our value here. You can see that you get value 1. If you want to get the value for key 2, we just put key 2 here inside the get method. If you want to get all the key available in our dictionary, let's say hash getting all keys. If you want to get all the keys available, we just our keyword keys is equals to our dictionary that we have created, dictionary dot keys. Then with an empty bracket, then we print our keys here. Then we run our line of code. As you can see, we have only 2 keys, which is key 1 and key 2 that we have created in our dictionary above here, as you can see. Same applies when you want to get all values in the dictionary. The same method applies. You just say values is equals to our dictionary that we are having dot values with the empty parenthesis. Then you print your variable here. Then you get all the values. We have 2 values in our dictionary. These are the data that we are having. We have seen the basic creation and use of dictionary. Now let us create a dictionary of student name and age. Creating a dictionary of student name and age. It's a simple dictionary. So to do so, let us create our variable. Let us call it student. and we denote a dictionary by a curly bracket or curly braces. Then our first key is going to be a name. Then the value, we put a colon. Then the value, we are going to put the name. Let us call the name Fanuel. Then comma to separate the keys and values. To go to another key, we are going to put the age of the person. Age, then colon, then we give the age 28. Then comma to create another key value here. Let us say country, then colony. Let us put a value in string. Let's say South Africa. South Africa. Now let us print the dictionary. Student. Okay, so this is the elements that we are having. These are the values. Okay, these are the values, and these are the keys of our dictionary. Now let us get elements from the dictionary. So to get the elements from the dictionary, we can say, for example, we want to get a name. We can say name is equals to student, the name of our dictionary, dot get method. Then we want to get this key, so we say name here. Then we print our name. We print our name right here. Then we run our code. Then we get access to the value or to the name, which is Fanuel. Or we can say we can get all the elements in the dictionary by saying name is equals to student. Then we put the name here. Then also age, we say student. Then we fetch the data. We are getting access to the data that we want to get access to. Then we type age here. Then we also need to get access to the country. Country here equals to student, the name of the dictionary. Then we want to get access to the country, so we put the keyword here. Country is this. Now what we do is to print it. We need to print name. We need also to print age, and lastly we need to print the country. Let us run our code. Okay, so here we have capital letter N for name. Let us run again. Right, as you can see here, we have Fanuel 28. So this is how we get access to the data inside a dictionary. We can use the get method, or we can filter the names using the key values. So how do we modify a dictionary? To modify a dictionary, you assign the new value to the specific key. For example, here, let us say modifying a dictionary. So let's say student, the name of our dictionary, and we need to say country here. That's the key value. Now we want to assign this to our new value. Our new value is Tanzania. That's our new value. Then we print the dictionary student here. Then let us run. As you can see here, we've successfully added the country here on this key. So this is how we modify the dictionary. If you want to add a new key and a value, a new pair in the dictionary, you want to add a new key and a value. Let us say student, our dictionary. Let us add at least province. Let us add province in this dictionary. Province, this is the name of our key, is equal to, we are going to add the province, which is the value. We are going to add the value here, Manicaland. Manicaland. Now let us print student. Let us print our dictionary here. Right, as you can see here, at the end of the dictionary, we have successfully added a new key and a value. Sometimes with the dictionary, we can have a dictionary with the list as its value. This allows especially programmers in machine learning and artificial intelligence to associate multiple elements with a single key in a dictionary. So in this case, we are saying you are having students here. We are having students. So let's say students is equals to, let us create a dictionary. Then we're having a key name. This is our key. Now, you want to put all the names of the students available in this list now. Let's say the first name of the student is Fanuel. Then the second name of the student is John or Jonathan. Then the third name of the student is Mike. So this allows the programmers to associate multiple elements with a single key in a dictionary, like what we did here. This is a single key and we're having a lot of elements here. We need to put surnames. So let us say surname here for this dictionary. Surname, this is our surname, so which is our key. So surname, let us say Mapue. Then another surname is the Ju. Then another element, let us say Spark. Let us say Spark. Right. So these are the surnames that we are having, and we can now include even the age of these students. Let us put student age here in a list. So let's say we are having 20, 18, and 30. So this is this dictionary that we're having. Then we can print the student. Let us run here. Let us put an S here so that it will be different with this one. Let us put an S here. Let us run. Right. As you can see here, we have displayed the dictionary with the list as its value. So now the question is, how do you get access to the value? To get access to the values, it's simple. We can say print students with an S. Then this is we put a square bracket to get access to the values. Name. If we print here, we get the names for the students. And if you want to print the surname, we do the same thing. Print students with the S, students, square bracket, then we say surname. So we use a key to display the elements or the values inside the dictionary. We use the keys. So now if you want to add the elements, let us append. Let us add Jonathan, or let us add Peter there. Let us add Peter. So student with S, students, where exactly we are specifying the location where you need to append. It's the name dot append, and we need to append Peter. So Peter here. Then we run our line of code. Then we say students. Then we print our code here. And you can see that we have successfully added Peter in this dictionary. So I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.